Conversations in ChatGPT have some key components. You can leverage these components to get higher quality and more effective responses from the model. First, let's talk about system messages. These are messages used to set the behavior of ChatGPT. For example, a system message might say, "You are a helpful financial assistant." This message guides ChatGPT to respond using this role or behavior throughout the conversation. The next component is roles. In a conversation with ChatGPT, there are typically two roles, the user and the assistant. The user refers to you, or the one asking questions or making requests. The assistant is ChatGPT, which provides responses based on the user's prompts. A prompt is the instructions or input we give to ChatGPT. For example, if we're asking about stock investments, we can try the prompt, "What is the rate of return for NVIDIA and Microsoft stock over the last 10 years?" The model uses the prompt to generate a relevant response. Tokens are the chunks of text that the model reads at a time. A token can be as short as one character or as long as one word. For example, the phrase "investing in stocks" is broken into 4 tokens: invest, in, and stocks. The context window is an important component. It consists of tokens that are in the recent history of the conversation that the model considers when generating a response. In ChatGPT, the model can remember thousands of tokens in its context window. Anything beyond this limit gets cut off and won't be considered by the model. Finally, we have responses. These are the outputs generated by ChatGPT in reply to a user's prompt. For instance, in response to the prompt, "I need advice on investing in stocks," ChatGPT might generate a response like, "Here are some general tips to consider when investing in stocks. Understand key concepts such as risk, return, diversification, and different investment strategies." When interacting with ChatGPT, you'll deal with prompts, roles, system messages, the context window, tokens, and responses. Understanding these components helps you get the most out of your conversations.